Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create a table in Wix. First, log into your Wix account. Once inside, go ahead and choose one of your sites. Now, once inside the editor, on the top right corner, click on the search button. Then, go ahead and search for tables. Here, as you can see, to add a table to your site, first you need to add a CMS. That CMS is here on the left panel. Just go and click on this icon. Now, go ahead and add it to your site. Once added, you can start with a preset or by adding a content. So I'm just gonna start with a preset. Then in here, you can choose one. Just choose based on your needs. So I'm gonna add this one. Now that you have your CMS, you can now go to the section where you want to add your table, or you can go ahead and add another one. So once that's done, on the left panel, click on the plus sign button to add an element. Then from the options, you can now go to lists, and in here, as you can see, you'll now have the option to add in tables. So go to that. And here you can see different tables that you can choose from. Just choose one based on what you like or based on your layout. And there you have it. You can now manage it and edit its contents. Now, if you want to edit its contents, you will first need to connect the table to your CMS. So to do that, click on this icon. Then on the right panel, choose a dataset. You can go ahead and add one. Choose a collection, then click on Create. Once done, you will now see a Manage Content option. So you can now go ahead and edit the content of your table. And that's just basically it. That's how you add a table in your Wix. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.